Alas din jagra?
Ayan guys, oh.
Ha?
Manok namin yan guys. Golden baby yan guys. Pangalan niyan guys, Bunsoy. Magaling pumalo yan guys, oh.
Saging yan.
Manok yan guys, eh, manok. Bunsoy guys. Ang pangalan guys, magaling yan pumalo. Golden chicken yan guys, eh. Yan, oh. Hindi yan guys basta-basta matatalo guys. Magaling yan pumalo guys.